Hey everyone, welcome back to Sonam's channel. Today I'm making the most delicious super fluffy pancake. Let's get started. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make delicious fluffy pancake that are soft, light and easy to make at home. And this recipe is perfect for breakfast or a sweet treat. Let's get started. So I have two separate, one is dry, one is liquid. First I'm going to do a dry first. I have here 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have here 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I mix it. I have here 1 cup of buttermilk. So I'm going to add 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, room temperature butter, just adding little by little. See, it's almost done. It already smells so good. As soon as butter hits the pan, you will hear this gentle sizzle. This is what makes them so fluffy and golden. I keep the pan on medium so each pancake cooks evenly. Wow, look everyone, that's called fluffy, delicious pancake. As the batter spreads in the pan, you will notice small bubbles forming on top. Once those bubbles appear and the edges look set, that's your cue. Flip it over for a perfect fluffy pancake. Fluffy pancake, delicious, light and soft. Easy to make at home. And you can dip it with this sauce. So good. See, everybody asking for palette. So good. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.